Thank you for watching the episode of Temu'S Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is a Back to Future, not Back to the Future, Silver Wing Cyclone. You can apparently, looks like, make it as this, floating car scenario, or maybe just as a nice classic car there. So let's get her opened up here. It looks kind of fun built to me. Alright, I did get this from Temu. It was very reasonably priced. Okay, so this is full-size Lego. This comes with apparently little chassis there for the carriage of the car there. Let's see, I do have numbers on them. That's always encouraging. Let's see what's in this other box here. See what we got here. This was my FJ Cruiser I did, which is awesome. And it came with this nice display box, and so does this one. So when we've got this all built, we'll have a nice little display case for it. I'm pretty excited about that. That's awesome. This FJ Cruiser build was a lot of fun. Oh, here is the instruction book here. And we got some decals. Not a big fan of decals. I'm not very good at putting them on. That's why. But we'll have to deal with it, I guess. Here's instructions for the display case. And here is our instruction booklet here. Looks like rub-on decals. I'm not a big fan of those either way. I'd rather have sticker type, but oh well. Yeah, so the instructions look easy enough to follow. Well, we'll get this put together for you on camera and then give it a full review. Okay, we got it all done. There we go. Just give you a quick look here, quick tour. It was a pretty quick build, pretty simple build. I think it looks really good. Look at the engine in the back. That's pretty crazy. It looks really good. And then, so we have here along with it is this nice little display case. This kind of goes down like that, and the fronts and sides open here. So it looks just like a storage container from a container ship or something. And yeah, so we can fit that in there after I think it'll fit in there a little bit with all those little accessories on there, but it's really made for these to come off. They just pull right out. And then you can just put in the other wheels. Just like so. And then also, the motor here can come off. It can be replaced with this nice little hood. There, they got for like, there, it goes on like that. And then you can also replace, you can take these guys off, and then you can replace these little side jets here. They can lock off like that. Then you can put these in their place. There. And there. On the other side, We have these things to kind of lift up off the ground so it looks like it's flying. And they just come off. Like that. Okay. And there we go. And then this can just close down on top of it. Just like that. And there's my Toyota 4Runner. It goes right on top. Okay. Okay, so I showed you walked you through how it transforms from one thing to the other. I really had a fun time to build. I think you might enjoy it too. All the pieces are there. They're definitely Lego style and size and action. But they are not Lego bricks themselves. Please consider subscribing to Stone's Reviews. Please hit that like button. Please join us on our Patreon for $3 a month. Get ad-free access to reviews. That $3 can help you decide what to love making next, and I think this would be one of them. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.